In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change hyperlink color in Elementor. Elementor is a powerful and intuitive page builder for WordPress, and one of its many benefits is how effortlessly you can customize the appearance of your website, including the colors of the hyperlinks. Let's get started and make those hyperlinks stand out exactly as you want them to. To begin, you'll need to open your WordPress dashboard. This is your main control panel for managing all aspects of your website. From here, you'll want to find Elementor in the menu on the left-hand side. Hover over it, and you'll see an option for Settings. Click on this, and it will direct you to the main settings page for Elementor. Once you're on the Elementor settings page, look for the tab that says Style. Clicking on this will give you access to a variety of options that'll allow you to customize the global styling of your website. This is incredibly handy as changes made here will apply across the entire site, ensuring consistency with just a few clicks. Now, you'll want to scroll down slightly until you see the section labeled Typography. This section is key because this is where you adjust how text content is displayed on your site. Under Typography, there should be an option for Anchor Color. This is essentially the hyperlink color, and by changing this, you change the appearance of all hyperlinks across your website. Click on the color box next to Anchor Color. A color picker will pop up, offering a broad spectrum of colors to choose from. You can either select a color by clicking around the palette or, if you have a specific color in mind, simply enter the hexadecimal color code into the provided box. Before you make your final decision, let's discuss a useful tip. If you're unsure about which color to choose, consider aligning your hyperlink color with your brand's primary color or something complementary. This can enhance the cohesiveness of your site's design, making it visually appealing to visitors. After you've selected your preferred color, be sure to click Apply or Save Changes to confirm your selection. Failing to save your changes can result in you having to repeat these steps, so it's important to ensure this final action. And there you have it, your hyperlinks will now appear in your chosen color across your entire website. With Elementor, customizing your website's design is both straightforward and versatile. You're now well prepared to make further changes and really make the website your own. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tutorials on making the most of your website.